Teeth grinding isn't just bad for your smile. It is a sign your body could be struggling. If you wake up with sore teeth or a stiff jaw, your body is probably trying to tell you something. Grinding could be a big clue that your airway is being blocked while you sleep. Your body tenses up, trying to get more oxygen and repositioning your tongue. The result is tired muscles, worn teeth, and poor sleep. The fix is a sleep assessment to help get to the root of the problem. Have you noticed yourself grinding? Reach out to us in Tranquil Dental today so that we can get you screened.